I got into this line of work because I was always noisy, very, very noisy.
The more realistic the sound is, the more the player feels that they're there.
It's the genuineness of it, the believability, the plausibility of it, and the detail lends a lot to that.
They went so far as to go out to a junkyard in the middle of the California desert and record car smashing, dropping, and pounding sounds through a Foley session at a junkyard, which for me is the perfect way to capture the Incredible Hulk.
We pretend that we can control this stuff, but it's an illusion.
This will be Kilo Kilo, take 6. Done.
The whole game is about power. So the sound has to definitely depict this power. And because there's so much destruction going on. Because the Foley session was recorded in high definition, we could really manipulate these things to a much further extent than you can with other sound sources and libraries.
There's a lot of sound that gets recorded that you don't necessarily hear when you're out there, and that's what we're interested in.